Hello dear friends, and welcome back to my garden. 2 weeks ago I showed you this blooming cattleya that I had mounted on this sable palm tree. Well, since then 8 spectacular flowers have emerged. But today I would like to show you hundreds of orchids that are in bloom. Yes, hundreds, and they are all on one plant. And that is this Dendrobium amethystaglossum. It's a species orchid that comes from the Philippines, and it loves growing in Florida. Now, this is what is called a cane variety of Dendrobium, meaning that the plant sends out shoots that grow into long canes with leaves, and as the canes get older, the leaves fall off. But even the older canes can produce bunches of flowers, like this right here. You see, each one of these is an individual orchid flower, and they have a wonderful fragrance. Now, Dendrobiums in general love to have their roots crowded into a small pot. You can see how big this plant is and how small that pot is. It loves it. And as the canes get older, they shrivel up. But in the meantime, I don't cut them off because they still have life in them, and that life goes back into the mother plant. Eventually, they'll just dry up and fall off. Now, what's interesting about how the growers grow these Dendrobiums is they'll take a cane and cut it off the plant, and then chop that cane into smaller pieces, which they then nurture with potting media and fertilizer, water. And what happens is, where the canes have been cut, new roots will develop, and each one of those canes will become a new plant. Now, over here you can see that one of my canes got bent. And at that bending point, Mother Nature sent out roots in hopes of saving this plant for the future. Now, what I can do is I can cut this cane off about right here, and then I'll have a brand new plant. But you see, even that old cane is still producing these beautiful little flowers. Now, this is one of my favorite Dendrobiums. It blooms every year with an abundance of flowers. Thanks, friends, for stopping by. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye now.